I found the 5 best YouTube channel ideas for people looking to get started. The first channel idea you guys can do is reactions. Literally so simple. You just sit here and react to videos that other people are making. Reaction channels work great, especially for people who don't know where to get started. Because literally any video idea in the world is at your disposal to react to. Some of my favorite reaction channels are Cody Co, Mr. Beast Reacts,
Every time you laugh, you lose a heart.
and Graham Stephan Show.
Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. My name is Graham and welcome to my show.
It's cool because every channel I just listed has their own like unique niche within still being a reaction channel. And like you can react to literally any video on the internet. Like I could react to my own videos. Okay, so I'm not reacting to this video. It's part of the video. Cool transition though, right? But the second YouTube channel idea is what I'm doing right now, which is literally just lifestyle content. Filming exactly what you're doing on the day to day. Right now I'm checking out the sunset. I'm going to this really cool steakhouse for my friend's birthday so I can go document that. Ziggy! The typical lifestyle video would literally just be showing your lifestyle, whether you're doing a Q&A and talking about cool things.
How do you think new creators should begin their journey? Just film something. Literally, it could be anything. You just need to start.
Showing the cool stuff in your bedroom. I'm gonna give you a room tour. Then we have the bed and like the other desk that I don't use, but we'll just focus on this. If you're a filmmaker like me, you can show what's in your camera bag.
This is also my school bag, but when I go to film videos, this doubles as a camera bag and I take out my school stuff.
There's limitless ideas. So like one thing I do, usually I'll longboard, it's like a little lifestyle thing for me. But like another crazy channel idea, oh my god, I almost just fell. If you just do the most insane challenges ever, I don't have any plan for this video, but I'm sure you guys have seen Mr. Beast videos.
This is $500,000 in cash.
Creators like Eric,
100 myths and see if these are true or false.
Preston Plays,
We're literally being buried alive and only one of these buttons is going to let us escape.
all of them just do the craziest things for videos, things that are gonna shock people and like blow their mind, forces a lot of clicks, and it's a great way to create content. I'm probably gonna keep skating though until my food gets here, so I can roll a few more clips of that.
I spent vacations out this way to test my patience. It came to slay me, no one saved. I get too faded every day, feel like
Okay, so I got, wait, dude, I was gonna say another channel idea, but mukbangs. I didn't even realize I was doing a mukbang right now. This is another channel idea. But yeah, literally, I just got Chipotle. You can go get food from anywhere, review it. This right here is like an 8 out of 10, honestly, it's pretty good. But also, it's like so good to just throw in your videos randomly. Like, if you're going out to eat and you're filming a video about something, you can eat the food and talk about it like I'm doing right now. And it just makes the video more fun to watch. Instead of you just talking to the camera, you have some food. But the channel idea I was about to say is informational videos like the stuff that I'm doing right now. If you can over-provide in value and just give people as much information, helpfulness, whatever, people are gonna wanna watch the video all the way throughout. And if you guys watch the video this far, definitely go subscribe. Because like, you know, you made it pretty far. But yeah, some of the informational channels I watch on YouTube personally are Graham Stephan for finance.
The stock market has been a tried and true method for building your wealth, making passive income, and growing your money to the point of never needing to work another day in your entire life ever again.
I watch Patty Galloway for like the YouTube algorithm stuff.
In this video, I'm going to show you the new strategy that he is using to average 27 million views per video.
For like business and culture stuff, I watch Bia Heza.
I think NFTs are stupid. I'm sorry, but there, I said it.
It's a little later in the day now, and oh my goodness, do I have another mukbang for you guys. So the steakhouse I went to earlier in the video is called Boa, and I just got a burger from there. Look at this beast. This is quite honestly the best burger in the world. I also completely forgot I had this microphone. Realistically, I could go on here for hours with thousands of YouTube channel ideas because realistically, you can do whatever niche you want, whether that's gaming, comedy, vlogs, travel videos. There's so many different things you could do. The most important thing, hands down, is that you're passionate about what you're doing. For those of you guys who don't know me, I started this YouTube channel almost 10 years ago, and I started daily vlogging like 6 years ago. Although I unlisted and deleted a lot of really old videos, I've definitely posted over 1,000 videos to this channel, which is absolutely insane, and there's no way I wouldn't have done it if I wasn't extremely passionate about what I was recording. Like realistically, if you're new to YouTube, you're not gonna make it overnight in your first few videos. Like YouTube has to be something you're gonna do completely out of passion and for fun, and then hopefully as time progresses like my channel, we'll start to see some growth in the near future. But like at the end of the day, I will always create videos to this channel because it's what I love to do. I could care less about the money and subscribers that come with YouTube. I'm still learning on this platform every single day, and I will continue to create content regardless of how much money I make from it or how many subscribers I get from it, because I understand that this platform is going to be here for the long term. So if it takes another decade to blow up, maybe it will, I'll still be posting content because it's what I love to do. But yeah, that covered most of it. finding a topic to build your YouTube channel for, staying passionate about it, staying consistent, posting over long periods of time. This is all the stuff that I'm currently learning, and I just want to document the process of that. So if you guys enjoy these videos and you want to see me grow, please go press that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Drop a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm, or if you have any video ideas that you're wondering about as a new creator, comment them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.